Hi class, welcome to Computer Science 320 Programming 1. My name is Russ Frith and I will be your facilitator for this class for the next 8 weeks. If you're using the Eclipse development environment, that is the Eclipse Interactive Development Environment or IDE, I'm going to show you how to get started with developing a very basic Java program. The first thing you want to do is launch Eclipse. And so if your Eclipse icon looks like this, click on it, launch the IDE, wait a minute or so, and what you'll see now is the interface, the Java Eclipse interface. Now, it may be a little bit different depending on which version of Eclipse you've installed, but in this case, I'm using the Mars Eclipse. So what you'll do is you go to File, New, Java Project, okay, and give it your project a name. So let's call it Program 1. Okay, and you'll need to designate a folder to keep all of the files associated with your Java project. So in this case, let's put it in my documents. CSC 320, module 1. And let's put it in programs. I'll make a subfolder called programs. Okay, so all of our files for this project will be kept in this folder. Then click next, and then just go ahead and say finish. Okay, now, so here we have basically the folder structure for your project. So the next thing you want to do is click on SRC, the source folder, and then go up here to File and click on New Class. Okay, and let's call this class Example1. Make it public. And what will happen is that the Eclipse IDE will automatically generate your class outline. In this case, Example1. So the next thing you want to do is you want to create a main method. Every Java program must have at most one main method for it to execute. So you must type public static void main, and you must give the main method arguments, which are like this. Okay, so every Java program must have one of these to work. And begin, end. All right, so in this particular example, why don't we just print out the words hello world. Okay, and every Java statement must be terminated with a semicolon. So this is an example of a Java console application. So when we execute this program, the output will be displayed in this region of the IDE called the console. All right. So this is the run button. So you click on this green circle with the white arrow in it to execute your program. Okay. Select all of the objects or select all of the files. Answer OK. And here's the output, hello world. Okay, displayed in the console. And then the program ends execution. Now, you can get more sophisticated, of course, with your console applications. Okay, for instance, you can pad your program with mini IO statements. And let's see what the output is here. Answer OK. All right, and so here we have another example of a Java output console application. So take a look at this particular example, and if you have any questions about it, or if you have any questions in general about Eclipse or anything else about the class, please post in Module 1 discussion forum for this week. Look forward to any kind of feedback you have, and have a good semester, or a good term, that is.